All right, you guys, welcome back to our Sunday message. I thought I would do something with meditation and overcoming worry and fear. I'm going to do something very special for you guys. I thought about gifting you today something very special. I'm going to share with you a couple of tracks from my latest meditation album, Divine Oneness, which you can actually go to my website and download right now after you listen to this live broadcast. The website is revkevinlee.com, R-E-V, kevinlee.com. Go to the shopping feature, and you can purchase one or more of my albums. There are books listed, things like that. And anyway, I hope that you enjoy this. It's going to be an untraditional meditation because I'm going to very shortly just begin the tracks and allow you to listen to them during this time. And again, this is just from my heart to yours, a little bit of gift of peace in your mind, in your spirit, because there's so much worry and uncertainty in the world right now. So I hope that you enjoy. I hope that this comes across beautifully and perfectly in a greater divine plan. And good to see you guys this morning. So much love, and let's begin. And I hope that you find value in what I'm offering you today. Here we go.
This segment is a white light meditation. The color white is very symbolic in nature. Scientifically, white is truly not a color. It is a profound reflection of all color frequencies. Now, when we look at the holy writings in the various world religions, the color white symbolically represents righteousness, purity, wisdom, holiness, and even the dedication of one's life to serving a higher power. This next meditation will bring forward the divine protective white light from within you. That is a manifestation of the God force. This is a living light available to us all for the purposes of healing and harmonizing our spiritual bodies. So be sure to tap into this unlimited source whenever you need a little extra support in life, okay? Now, as we begin any meditation, it is very important to sit in the correct meditation posture. The spine should always be held straight and the chin parallel to the floor. Remember to stay consciously awake and try not to drift off into an altered trance state or even into sleep. Let's begin by sitting quietly somewhere where there are no distractions, no disturbances. Close your eyes and gently lift your gaze upward without straining to the point between the eyebrows. We call this the astral eye. This is the seat of your divine perception. Now, I want you to mentally command the body temple to be still and relaxed. Consciously feel the body relaxing now. Leave aside all thoughts of the world outside your doors. Let go of all cares and concerns and feel the peace emerging from within. Visualize yourself now surrounded by a sacred and omnipresent divine light. And let's take this moment to pray together. Repeat after me out loud. O blazing light, awaken my heart, awaken my soul, remove the darkness from within, and fill my very being with thy holy white light. Beautiful. As you continue to sit completely still in a meditation posture, let us practice a breathing exercise to help calm the body and mind. Keeping your inner gaze and attention focused at the point between the eyebrows, I want us to first expel the breath through the mouth in a double exhalation like this. Now inhale through the nostrils. Hold briefly. Then exhale, expelling the breath through the mouth in a double exhalation. And relax. Let's repeat this 2 more times. Inhale. Hold briefly. Double exhale. And relax. Last breath. Inhale in. Hold briefly. Double exhale. And just completely relax. Very good. Now simply forget the breath. Let it flow in and out naturally, of its own accord, just like normal breathing. Keep your gaze and attention fixed at the point between the eyebrows. And so at this time, I want you to listen to my words as they raise your etheric vibrations higher and higher, spiritually attracting and unfolding divine white light all around you. Within us all, there is a pure and holy divine essence. This essence is the doorway between our higher self and our divine creator. So now, visualize or imagine this divine essence as a powerful white light shining from deep within yourself. You are a part of this power, just as this power is a part of you. Give this holy power authority to expand within you now, to cleanse you, to bring you fully into oneness with this power. Feel yourself being touched by this beauty, this love, this power, as it radiates the divine white light of peace to every part of your body, mind, soul, and spirit. Allow this power to radiate outward from you, to merge with everything and everyone where you are now, to bless all things associated with you now. Bless our precious earth with your white light of peace. Bless our beautiful solar system with your white light of peace. Bless this gorgeous universe with your white light of peace. What a blessing you truly are. Spirit has told us many times, every person has a purpose in this universe. You are so important that the creator of our universe chose to include you in the mix of what was needed to make it perfect. Dear one, you are a blessing. So often we forget that we are spiritual beings first, before we are human beings. Our thoughts may turn negative from our challenges in life. We must always try to shine our white light of truth on any negative thoughts we hold. So let's do that now. Within your mind, make a statement to those thoughts that have caused you worry, concern, unhappiness, or any thoughts that are not making you truly happy in life. Imagine these negative thoughts are as light as a cloud. They easily come and they easily go. Speak your white light of truth into these negative thoughts and disperse them away permanently like a storm cloud on a wind. Very good. I want you to truly know that these thoughts are now held in the hearts of the angels and the ascended masters. If you let go and let God, I mean really believe that a higher power is working to help you, those thoughts will become weaker and weaker till they are no more. So now, thank your angels, thank your spiritual guides, thank your spiritual teachers for their continued energetic support. Remember, they are always by our side, supporting every step we take. It is their honor to help us on earth. And so now, begin to bring the fullness of this holy white light back with you into your sacred space. Let's take a deep breath in through the nose. Hold briefly. And out through the mouth. As you center the spirit fully in your body temple, feel the peace of divine harmony emanating from your very being. This is your gift today from the light of truth. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes and slowly open those beautiful eyes. Welcome back.
Y'all, that was beautiful. I definitely feel a very beautiful peace in my divine resonance field and in my auric field, in my mind, in my body. I feel my body is full of light. I feel my body is highly protected, and my light is also very curative for those around me. For those that come into my path, that the universe blesses today, tomorrow, this week, next month. Those who are in my presence, in the light of my truth that comes from God directly, I know that these people are going to be blessed. I know that these people are going to be safe. I'm safe. And I want you to understand that wherever you are, God is, and all as well, because we understand that we are God in expression in these beautiful human bodies, if you will, this beautiful body temple. Sometimes we feel like the architecture is a little bit uneven, a little fluffy, and we would love a perfect Colosseum body, right? But just understand that all we need to do is to change our thoughts, focus on the bad habits of negative thoughts, and just begin to uproot them. Just like in the garden. I'm here in Florida. We've got some strong plants and weeds. But there are some weeds in my garden that you step on them and they die. There are other weeds in my garden that you try to pull out of the ground and you cannot unless you water it for a little bit and really get the water down to the bottom of the roots to loosen them. And even some of them you have to dig down into the soil quite a bit to pull them out of the earth. It's the same with our negative thought habits. There are some thoughts that we really have to work at. And so by going in meditation internally, being willing to take that thought, that dark cloud, and being willing to speak our truth into the cloud, we dissipate that bad thought. We uproot it at its deepest level, and we release it. Technically, we're releasing cords from these negative thoughts, and so we are etherically performing, if you will, psychic surgery on the negative thoughts. We're allowing those thoughts to be released from our spirit, from our soul, from our astral body, the etherical body. And so when we do that, we allow them to not return so easily. They can't come back and take root because we have a purified mind in our garden in our mind, one of those words. Guys, I love you. I hope you enjoyed that. That's my gift from me to you today, and I look forward to seeing you very soon online or at the Metaphysical Chapel of South Florida. Namaste.